All right, so this is the final lesson on their market. So at this point, you already know how to trade the FX market, equities market, and the cryptocurrency market. So you know the characteristics of every single one of those markets and how to create your watch list within every single one of those markets. So you're ready to get started. So at this point, it's up to you to decide which one you want to focus on. In my opinion, in my personal opinion, if you're a beginner starting from scratch, Forex market is great. It's very consistent, it's very reliable, the volume is always high, liquidity is great, and the MasterClass strategies really apply great to the market because it's either going to be trending to the upside or trending to the downside, and you'll know what I mean once you get farther into the lessons. But to me, that is one of the easiest markets to trade in general, is the Forex market, currency market. The next up, we got the US equities market. I mainly focus on US equities, but again, you can apply the same kind of teachings from that lesson to Australian equities, German equities, Indian equities, and so on. But that one is a little bit different. You know, as you've seen in the lesson focusing on US equities, stock market works a little bit different than the currency market. It mainly goes up majority of the time. And once in a while, we got these corrections, we get these pullbacks. That could be corrections or even recessions. But majority of the time, the equities market goes up. So just know that from trading the equities market, you might be focusing more on bullish opportunities than bearish opportunities. The difference is it's not open 24 hours a day like the FX market is. Hence, we have some gaps within the equities market. So in my opinion, again, from a beginner point of view, Forex market is much more consistent than the equities market. So I would start there. And then we get the crypto market. Cryptocurrency market is still new, it's still beginning. It originated in 2009 with Bitcoin, and then it started to evolve since then. And it's growing day by day. But at this point in time, the volume sometimes it's still pretty low, and we get these massive spikes in volatility. However, there's some many great opportunities within the cryptocurrency market. MasterClass strategies apply, MasterClass teachings apply. It follows classical charting principles really well, right? So in my opinion, crypto market is really good as well. But again, from a beginner point of view, I would still focus on FX. However, with that said, once you become more consistent, once you know and master Forex, you might want to take your skills and apply them to the equities market and maybe even cryptocurrency market. And eventually over your career, you might be trading all three. You might even trade other markets as well, right? But you might develop as a trader, starting at one, then adding another, and then adding the third, crypto, if you want. Or you might already have knowledge in one of the three markets. You might already be familiar with cryptocurrency because you've been trading it for a few years. So you might want to start there. Or you might already be familiar within the equities market, so you might want to also start with equities, right? And just start applying the strategies and the lessons to the equities market instead of Forex. However, again, like I say, Forex market has many great opportunities. It's very consistent, very stable, very liquid. Volume is really high on a day-to-day basis. Classical charting principles apply really well. Multi-time frame analysis applies extremely well. Everything that we teach in MasterClass applies to all markets, right? Forex, equities, and crypto. But again, my favorite, in my opinion, the most consistent is FX. But I love trading equities. I love trading cryptocurrency. And at this point in my career, I trade all markets. But I'm just going to say, as a final thought for you, is if you're a beginner, you might just want to focus on one. FX is great, but it's up to you which one you focus on. And if you're already familiar with crypto or equities, you might want to start there and apply those strategies and MasterClass teachings to those markets just because you're already familiar with them. That is it. That's my final thoughts. Now you know kind of how to trade within those three markets and how to make your watch list within those three markets. And now it's up to you to choose which one you want to focus on. That is it for this lesson. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.